Hello everyone. First open your Telegram. On the top, tap on three line, tap on settings, tap on privacy and security, scroll down and tap on messages. Under who can send me messages, we have two options. First, everybody, which means everybody can send message to me. And second option, my contact and premium user, which means only my contact and premium user can send me message. Please note that the second option only available for premium user, and if you buy a premium account, you can use this option. And after that, tap on save. And as you see next to messages, contact and premium is set. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.